Technology does not fail because of the tools. We all know that. It fails because of the decisions around them. Your tech stack keeps getting bigger and bigger, but nothing is getting easier, then these tips are for you. And as always, it really doesn't matter what I say. It matters what's best for your business. So I invite you to pick and choose what works for you. And then also share what you're actually seeing work in the comments. Dialogue, the sharing ideas, is how we get past an industry that quite literally the business model is set up to make businesses fail. So number one, I want you to have ruthless clarity over what is the problem. I want you to get obsessed with that and that only. If you can't name the constraint, then we're not ready for the technology. One thing I can absolutely guarantee, whether it's ERP, RPA, automation, trash boards, whatever, vagueness is never going to produce value. Winners are absolutely crystal clear and can explain it in less than 60 seconds what is broken and what they want to fix. Number two, speed to value over any sort of perfect architecture. Long projects are a huge liability. Gone are the days where we're doing these big, massive ERP overhauls. The only businesses I see doing those right now are the ones that are actually starting afresh, whether it be a merger and acquisition or opening up a new site, something like that. Businesses that win are going to implement something small, produce value from it, learn from it, and iterate fast. They're going to get real good at that type of mechanism and muscle. If value's not visible within 90 days, you are in trouble. 3 is less is more, quality over quantity, okay? And quality in integrations that you own, not your vendor. Sprawl and slop is absolutely killing execution. The companies I see being super successful with technology are the ones that are tightening down. They are cutting the fat. They are simplifying instead of adding. The software, clearer workflows, cleaner ownership lines, all of those pieces are what is going to make your integrations simpler, right? And again, we're not talking about integrations that somebody else customize and own. You need to figure out how to do that in competencies in-house. 2026 is the year of operators in the room, my friend. Okay, so technology decisions made without operators absolutely are going to fail. People running the floor, the plant, the process, whatever, they need to be part of the design and be a main stakeholder in the execution so we can deliver systems that actually work. Not what vendors want you to buy, right? What works for you. And that's part of goal number 1 of getting very clear about what's broken so that a vendor doesn't come in and be like, hey, this is what I think is broken. This is what you should buy. No, thank you, right? We own our businesses. We're responsible for the technology we buy. Number 5 is we are so done with not holding our partners accountable, whether that's SIs, vendors, data partners, whatever. Outcomes matter more than licenses, okay? Slide decks and bullshit, that's not it. We're looking at the contract and how these people are going to show up for you to make sure your business is successful, not vice versa. We're not giving away the keys to our business to another vendor because they have the latest and greatest coffee machine robot, right? That is ridiculous and stupid. We are making sure that we understand how they're going to help us because that's their damn job. Last but certainly not least, and hopefully everyone has figured this out after the shitstorm that was 2025 and watching people jump on stage and talk about AI like it was some sort of weird magic. AI is not the answer. Better decisions are. Could you use AI to make better data-informed decisions? For sure. But it is not a strategy. It is a sentence that means nothing if you don't understand how to execute. See businesses now failing because they're drowning in AI that they have no idea how to use, nor did they ever have any business implementing. The good news is none of this is complicated, right? It's the anti-hype, right? You have to get back to the basics and fundamentals of how to do good business and have discipline. If it sounds impressive, but it doesn't change the way you work, it doesn't matter. Clarity beats capability every damn time.